Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss equilibrium concept, that is common ion effect. What is meant by common ion effect and how it will influence equilibrium? All these things we are going to discuss in this video. So before going to that video, I am requesting you, please share our videos with your friends and subscribe our channel, and please post your opinions in comment section. We'll move on to this video. What is meant by common ion effect? So that name itself indicates that common ion. So in a solution, some common ion will be there. How that will influence equilibrium, we are going to discuss. So before going to that, we'll discuss the definition of common ion effect. What is meant by common ion effect actually? So common ion effect is nothing but the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte is suppressed by the addition of electrolyte which is containing common ion. This is known as common ion effect. We'll write the definition on the board. So degree of dissociation of an electrolyte, generally weak electrolyte, is suppressed or decreased by the addition of an electrolyte, generally strong electrolytes we use it to add. So we must add strong electrolyte which is containing common ion, This is known as common ion effect. Now we are going to discuss some example how this common ion effect will work. Let us discuss one example, dissociation of acetic acid. So acetic acid, we know acetic acid is a weak electrolyte, and the degree of dissociation of acetic acid can be decreased by addition of any strong acid, or else we can take any acetate salts. How it will work, we'll discuss. So I am taking dissociation of acetic acid. It is a weak electrolyte. So this will give CH3COO minus and H plus. Now for this solution, if we add any strong electrolyte, so particularly any strong acid, if we add to this one, the strong acid is going to release H plus ions. Similarly, if we add any acetate salts to this solution, that salt is going to release acetate ions. So what will happen? This electrolyte is able to produce the ion which is common already in that solution. So you can add any strong acids, or we can add any acetate salts such as sodium acetate, or any other salts we can add, and we can add even any strong acids which can produce H plus ions to this solution. So if we add any strong acid, or if we add any acetate salt, we can decrease or we can suppress the dissociation of this CH3COOH, acetic acid. So what will happen if we add any of these two? The concentration of this acetate ion or H plus ion is going to increase, then the degree of CH3COOH is going to decrease. You know that if we increase any of these two ion concentration, the degree of CH3COOH is going to decrease. So these two are strong electrolytes. So what we have done here, simple, just by addition of strong electrolytes, we suppressed the degree of the dissociation of weak electrolyte. So these two are strong electrolyte. So this is strong electrolyte. And one more point here, as a result of common ion effect here, the ion which is not in common, concentration is going to decrease. The concentration of ion which is not common. So for suppose if we add HCl here or any strong acid here to this mixture, so what will happen? Concentration of H plus ion is going to increase. Then consequently the concentration of acetate ion is going to decrease. or if we add any acetate salt, the concentration of H plus ion is going to decrease and the concentration of acetate ion is going to increase. We'll discuss one more example. So that is the degree of dissociation of ammonium hydroxide can be suppressed by the addition of ammonium chloride or sodium hydroxide. So we'll discuss NH4OH. Generally it is a weak electrolyte. It will give ammonium ion and a hydroxide ion. So for this solution, if you add electrolytes such as ammonium chloride or electrolytes such as sodium hydroxide, if you add any of these two, the degree of dissociation of this ammonium hydroxide is going to decrease. This is due to the common ion effect. This is due to the common ion effect. So what will happen if we add this NH4Cl to this solution? This NH4Cl is going to further dissociated as ammonium ion and Cl minus ion. So the concentration of NH4 plus ion is going to increase. Similarly, OH minus ion concentration is going to decrease. So this will cause the dissociation of this ammonium hydroxide decrease. Similarly, if we add this sodium hydroxide to this solution, the concentration of OH minus is going to increase, then the concentration of NH4 plus is going to decrease. So due to this common ion effect, the degree of dissociation of this ammonium hydroxide is going to decrease. This is how this common ion effect will work. This is all about this video. In next video, I am going to make video on solubility product. So please stay tuned our channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for latest updates, and share our channel with your friends and like our videos. And thanks for watching.